In this video, I'll discuss some of the financial statements available in the accounting module. Start by clicking Accounting at the top of the screen, then click on the Reports menu, and I'll be discussing the Financial Statements column that you see here. I'll start by discussing the balance sheet. The balance sheet is a report that states the current level of a business's assets, liabilities, and owner's equity on a selected day. It is literally a snapshot of the assets, liabilities, and equity at a particular point in time. Select the time. Now, if you can see here, it only has a month and a year. This will choose the latest date. It will not choose, say, like November 1st of 2012. It's going to take the current date. So if you select October, it'll be October 31st, because balance sheets only show a particular date. It does not show like a period of time. You can select your department or a project that you'd like to use, and then you can also select whether or not you would like to have a comparison versus the same day on a previous year, a previous period, or just have it for this particular period. The entry account here that you see will show the parent account. As an example, the accounts receivable is not displayed in the balance sheet because it's not the parent account, it's actually a sub-account of the trade receivables account. So if you'd like to view a sub-account like accounts receivable, click entry account, and then you'll be able to view the sub-accounts. Then click search, and you can view the balance sheet. Now, if you'll notice at the bottom of the screen, you can see a difference amount in red. This means that the total assets does not equal the total liabilities plus the stockholders' equity. This means that somewhere in the program there's an error and the two numbers do not match up. So you're going to have to go back and verify the information in the system and find the error that's causing this. If you would like to export the balance sheet to Excel, you can click the Excel button in the upper left corner. Going back to the report section, I will now discuss the income statement. The income statement reports the revenue and expenses of the business over a specific period of time. You can enter your search conditions in the same way that you did for the balance sheet, and then click search, and you can view the information. Again, you can export it to Excel by clicking the Excel button in the upper left corner. Now I'll discuss the schedule of costs. The schedule of costs shows the cost of manufacturing, or if you're like a service-based industry, just simply the cost of doing business. If you are a manufacturing company, it will show the cost of production and overhead costs and things of that nature. You'll simply select the type of business you are in the menu and then press search, and it'll show you your schedule of costs and projected costs. Next, I'll discuss the chart of account status. The chart of account status is a report that shows the current state of all accounts that you are currently using within the chart of accounts. If you remember from the beginning balance when you set up the program, you selected the accounts within the chart of accounts that you were using. This report status will not show you the accounts that you did not set up. They will not appear in the report. Next, I'll discuss the compound trial balance. A trial balance summarizes the account balances for preparation of financial statements. It allows you to check the account debits and credits to make sure that they are equal. It is the first indicator that there is an error within the system. There can still be errors within the system, however, this is like your first line of defense against errors before you create your financial statements. Again, you can export it to Excel by clicking Excel in the upper left corner. Going back to the report section, the retained earnings statement will show you the current level of retained earnings and owner's equity. And then the statement of operations is a statement that summarizes the revenue and expenses during a particular period. It's actually very similar to an income statement. However, the information is shown in a different manner, in a different format, and it can also be used to show the breakdown of revenue and expenses for departments and projects. Thank you for watching the financial statement video.